Are your chickens not growing well? Are your egg numbers dropping? Or worse? Are your birds falling sick? 99% of poultry farmers make one big mistake that costs them money, time, and sometimes their entire flock. In this video, I will reveal the number one mistake poultry farmers make, and most importantly, how you can avoid it. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If today is your very first time you've come across this channel, kindly subscribe, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. So let's get started. The number one mistake poultry farmers make is poor biosecurity. Let me explain. Biosecurity simply means protecting your chickens from diseases by controlling what enters your farm and how your birds are managed. Many farmers focus on feed and housing but forget that disease prevention is the real money saver. So here is what poor biosecurity looks like. Number one is allowing visitors to walk into your poultry house without proper disinfection. Another one is mixing old birds with new chicks in the same pen. And another one is not cleaning feeders and drinkers regularly. Another one is buying cheap infected feed or birds without checking their sources. And when you do these things, diseases like Newcastle coccidiosis can wipe out your flock overnight. So, how do you avoid this mistake? Here are simple but powerful steps. The first thing that you need to do is to limit visitors from entering your farm. No unnecessary entry into your poultry house. So it's not everybody that comes around that you can always allow to visit your farm. The second thing is disinfect everything. The boots, equipment, even your hands before handling birds. This is what you are expected to do regularly. The next one is separate batches. Never mix old birds with new chicks. Very important. And the next one is keep it clean. Wash feeders and drinkers daily and change beddings when needed. Next is buy quality stock. Only buy chicks and feed from trusted, diseases-free sources. If you can do this, I can assure you that you will have no cause to regret venturing into poultry farming. Remember, prevention is always cheaper than treatment. If you protect your chickens with proper biosecurity, you'll avoid the number one mistake and keep your farms profitable and stress-free. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it so that it can get to other farmers or intending farmers who need this knowledge. And don't forget to subscribe for more poultry farming tips that actually works. Bye. Until I come your way next time with another wonderful video.